you so much if you've got this far in the video. As you can see, I'm doing a retwist on some locks. I've been doing his hair for over 2 years now, and so this is like something regularly I do. But I just wanted to record and show how I do my retwist, and then add in braids. He has really fine hair. It's not thick or like 4C or anything. It's like a, I don't know, like a 2 or something. But his hair texture is really soft, so it was a while for them to actually lock up when I first started, but they are really good now. They growing really long, and I just wanted to start braiding them now because it just makes them grow even faster and makes them just look fresher, and it holds for a long time. And as you can see, I'm doing a little method where you rub in the direction that you want to twist it, and basically it's like an easier way to twist your locks. But yeah, I'm using some Murray's lock gel. It's really good for braids and hair, but I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to show y'all how I can get your hair looking nice and fresh. I will be doing another one of these videos, so thank you so much for watching, and I will be doing another one soon when I have to do a retwist on his hair. But yes.